On the latest episode of Sana's Fridge interview, BTS's J-Hope opened up about his recent solo journey and personal growth, captivating fans with his honest reflections and charming personality. Sitting comfortably in the cozy kitchen setting, J-Hope, also known as Jungkook, shared insights into how embarking on his solo career has allowed him to discover new layers of himself as an artist and individual. He spoke about the challenges of creating music independently, emphasizing the responsibility he felt in making each decision without the familiar guidance of his BTS bandmates. However, he also described it as an incredibly liberating experience, where he could explore his own sound, visuals, and identity through projects like Jack in the Box and various live performances. J-Hope also touched on his personality, admitting that while he's often seen as the cheerful sunshine of BTS, he has quieter, introspective sides that fans rarely see. He credited his solo activities with helping him embrace those hidden aspects, becoming more confident in showing his full self to the world. Throughout the interview, he maintained his trademark humility and sincerity, expressing gratitude for the support of ARMY and the strength he draws from their love. He also shared light-hearted stories about his favorite comfort foods, memories from the BTS dorms, and how he's using his downtime during military service to reflect and plan for the future. Fans were touched by his openness and maturity, noting how he has grown both artistically and emotionally over the past year. J-Hope's appearance on Sana's Fridge interview was a heartfelt reminder of his deep passion for music, his evolving identity, and his unwavering bond with fans, even during his temporary break from group activities.